In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade S&P 500 on interactive brokers. We'll do this using Trader Workstation, often called TWS, and focus on placing a straightforward order in SPY, the popular ETF that tracks the S&P 500. I'll walk you through each click so you feel confident from start to finish. First, open Trader Workstation. Once the platform is up, go to your watch list. In an empty row of that watch list, simply type SPY. Press Enter. TWS will ask what kind of instrument you want. Choose Stock, then select Smart. Picking Stock tells TWS you're trading the SPY ETF as a stock, and choosing Smart lets interactive brokers route your order to the venue that aims for the best available execution. After you make that selection, you'll see SPY appear in your watch list with live price data. From that same SPY row, click either Buy or Sell. Click Buy if you want to go long SPY, which means you expect the S&P 500 to rise. Click Sell if you're reducing or closing an existing long position, or if you're shorting and expect the market to fall. Clicking either button opens the order line, where you'll set the details. Start with Q2I. This is the number of shares you want to trade. Your total exposure is roughly the share count times the current price, so choose a size that fits your risk tolerance and available buying power. Next, pick your order type. Market orders aim to fill immediately at the best available price, which is simple and fast, but the final fill price can vary slightly in fast-moving conditions. Limit orders give you price control. When buying, you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. When selling, you set the minimum price you're willing to accept. If you choose Limit, enter your desired limit price in the price field. A practical tip is to reference the current bid and ask and place your limit close to those levels to improve the chance of a timely fill while keeping control over price. Review your entries to make sure the side, quantity, order type, and price, if applicable, are correct. When everything looks good, click Transmit to send the order. TWS will route it using Smart as selected, and your order proceeds to the market. That's the complete process. Open TWS, add SPY to your watch list, choose Stock and Smart, click Buy or Sell, set your Q2I and order type, enter a price if it's a limit, and click Transmit. Take your time, double-check each field, and use smaller sizes while you get comfortable.